How do we write down the structures of the oxides of nitrogen according to the Lewis dot structure? Three things you'll have to bear in mind. First one is you'll have to know the total number of valence electron present in each atom for the particular compound and how many bonds are present around that particular atom. And thirdly, you'll have to remember that every atom in that compound has to fulfill the octet amount of electrons. That is, 8 electrons should be present around every particular atom which is present in that particular compound. Now let's see that nitrogen has got atomic number 7 and it has got 2 and 5 in its electronic configuration, where 5 electrons are present in the valence shell. In oxygen, you have 8 electrons, atomic number is 8, and the electronic configuration is 2, 6, and there are 6 valence electrons present in oxygen. Let's take the case of N2O. You'll have to remember for nitrogen, there can totally be around 3 or 4 bonds around it. In the case of nitrous oxide, how do we write down the structure of nitrous oxide? Whether one or more than one structure are present. All these we can find it out from the valence electrons, the bonds, and knowing about the fulfillment of the octet electrons for writing down the structures. Yes, N2O. N2, 2 atoms of nitrogen are there, 1 atom of oxygen is there. So we will write it as 2 nitrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. We can also write another way, 2 nitrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Now, next you will have to count the total number of atoms present in the compound. 3 atoms are there. So, each atom should have 8 electrons together. So, there should be 8 into 3, 24 electrons are needed. But in N2O, the number of valence electrons in nitrogen is only 5. Yes, valence electron in nitrogen is only 5 and the valence electrons in oxygen is 6. So, there are 2 atoms of nitrogen. So, 5 into 2, 10 electrons are available, and oxygen 6 valence electrons. So, 6 valence electrons in N2O, totally giving rise to 16 electrons only are available in N2O, whereas the needed number of electrons is 24. So, 24 minus 16, there is a shortage of 8 electrons. There is a shortage of 8 electrons. And always you have to remember, if there are 2 atoms X and X and there is a bond between them, every bond consists of 2 electrons. Any single bond consists of 2 electrons. So, there's a shortage of 8 electrons here in N2O. So, let me divide it by 2 to find out how many bonds are required. So, 8 divided by 2, 4 bonds are required here. So, we were going to write down, we have already written down nitrogen and 1 oxygen atom in N2O. So, there are to be 4 bonds around in that whole molecule. So, I will put 3 bonds here between 2 nitrogen atoms and 1 bond between nitrogen and oxygen, total giving rise to 4 bonds. It can also be written as N double bond N double bond O. Again, you have 4 bonds around it. So, now after having written this, both these forms are possible. So, these you represent it as canonical structures or canonical forms or resonance structures by putting a double-headed arrow. Now let's find out